Cyber family, this is Patty. Thanks for hopping on. And I am making some taco. I'm cooking my meat for the tacos. And I've browned my ground meat. I'm putting a little onion powder in there, not measuring anything, just kind of estimating. Probably about a tablespoon full. And this is about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm not putting any salt in. I did put a little bit of, about a tablespoon of parsley flakes in there. I'm not putting any salt in because when I use I'm just mixing all of this, well incorporating this ground meat with the dry seasonings that I've put in. And I have the original taco seasoning. And I have some other, because I'll probably need more than I have here in this half of this pack. So I'm going to put this in, and here it is. And I'm going to mix that up. I think I'll put just a little bit of, I'm not going to add water. I'm just going to add a little bit of this chicken broth, just for it to mix just a little bit, not much. And this is the chicken broth that I'm using, just a little bit, so it won't be so dry, so I can incorporate it with the little packet of seasoning. And I'm just making a little bit. Tyler likes it. He's going to eat it. And I'm going to put just a little more. I've emptied one pack, and I'm going to put a little bit from another pack. Okay. How's everybody doing today? Today is Sunday. This is just a little snack for tonight. I had some ground beef and I wanted to go on and use it. Okay, I'm putting about half of this pack in. So in all, I'll have like a whole pack in here that I'm mixing up, well incorporating this. I don't want it to be so dry, and that is why I put just a little bit of, don't want it to stick to the pot. Instead of putting water, I'm just putting a little chicken broth in here to well incorporate it. And, okay, don't want it to be dry, so I have it mixed, and we have the small taco shells. So, and this is really all there is to it. But I just wanted to share with you what I was doing in the kitchen tonight. And I'm going to just taste a little bit and see if it has enough seasoning in it. It's good. Not too salty. Remember, I didn't add any salt to it. Just add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and some dried parsley, and all the seasonings from that pack. And I added a little bit of just a small amount of chicken broth, so it wouldn't be so dry. And you just add that as you need it. If I had to guess, in this pound and a half, I may have put like maybe about a fourth or an eighth of a cup of that in here, so it won't be so dry. So here it is. Here it is. This is the meat for the taco. Here it is. So please share, like, subscribe, follow, tap the notification bell. And I've done tacos before, but I just wanted to show you what I was doing with this meat. I'm just making a small amount. So here it is. And I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Thank you so much for joining, following. Please subscribe. And I thank all of you for hopping on and for supporting my channel. Thank you all so much, and I love each and every one of you. Goodbye.